Welcome everyone to my new video on Polygon technical analysis and price discussion for a beautiful Saturday out there, 22nd of April 2023. Polygon is just following the markets. It is down in the past 24 hours, especially take a look at the last 7 days activity, which is minus 11.5%. Nothing special out of the picture of the current environment. So we don't have to be scared that Polygon is suffering from something specific. No, it's just how the environment has been moving. Even BTC has decreased 10% for the past 7 days, which are all organic retracements, as we usually call them. Now the only thing is, we need to see about the percentages. We would like to see the structures a little more, and the technical aspect in terms of how easy it's going to be to recover from here. Other than that, make sure to like this video before we get into the topic and subscribe to this channel. As well, for those of you interested in ChatGPT, bot trading, we have the ability to, you have the ability to participate actually. We have videos posted on the main YouTube channel, which is different than the one I'm posting this Polygon video. So make sure to check out, the links are located in the description area and comments area. We have all sorts of videos and presentations, including our report where you can see our bot trading performance. You can join, it's completely outsourced. We have basically the ability for people to join without any upfront fees, simple commission from the profits achieved, where the trading is completed with API permission by us. Very simple. So I'll talk about it at the end basically. And now I would like to look into the Polygon technicals and price analysis. Now this is what we have been going through. At the top there is a nice triangle, and we have been forming the selling pressure on the tops, which was quite imminent, just like the buying pressure on the lower side of the structure. The only problem for Polygon was the fact that we were having BTC bearish, and when that happens you cannot expect basically from the market to be having a different movement other than following Bitcoin. So we needed to expect for Polygon a strong decrease, and you have that long red candlestick here of 1 hour, which is consisting 5.79% dump. I mean, it is not the highest, because in my other video I'm presenting you the Solana's candlestick, which is 11%. It's almost double. Now, in that case scenario, obviously we talk about major liquidities that have been filled and taken away from people. The thing is, we have reacted on the support line, and this is something great. The problem is that we were not surviving that reaction, and we have been defeated a couple of hours right afterwards. We broke below, and there is another downside effect that we are trying to hold here. As you can see, look at the wicks over there. I mean, they are massive wicks on board, which are holding the price action at a level of strong support located at 1.7, 1.8 cents. We're holding it successfully. The thing is, it just came in with another series of strong selling pressure, and this is the cascade effect, guys. The reason why we have cascade effects in the markets, they're always downwards, is because there is so much liquidity on the long side that the exchanges gotta do their movements, grab the liquidity from them. And how do you do this? You basically dump the markets in a cascade effect, which looks like this: brutal movement, slight recovery, brutal movement, slight recovery, brutal movement, slight recovery, brutal movement. And you keep doing like that basically. You keep doing like that, just like what happens here. Brutal, slight, brutal, slight. You keep getting like this. I mean, this is so significant. From top to this bottom here, we're having 2 days and 12 hours, 15% dump. Take a look at the increases we had. We're not having a such move towards the upside, and we were in a bullish environment. So can you imagine that? In a bullish environment, we're not having anything similar to this. Look at the aggressiveness behind, which is why we used to say upwards you go with the stairs, downwards you come with the elevator. This is how the trading works basically. When we talk about shorts, they're violent, they're brutals. When we talk about the pumps, they are different because they're scaling and scaling, and they're going up into the stairs, which is the way the markets are functioning. No reaction that was sufficient, they were dumping and we're coming into the zone. Another place where we would wanted to hold, and we have not been able to do it. So we have crashed below the zone, a zone that was extremely significant here. We crashed below and now we're facing resistance from the zone. This is a difficult journey, guys. We're actually sitting at the $1 mark, right? So $1 for Polygon, and just a couple of, like 48 hours ago, we were at $1.20. That's, 20% difference. It's a lot. It's a lot because we're actually talking about the ability for Polygon to get to the 125. It had that ability. If it would, BTC would have survived a little more without crashing, Polygon would have did their move. Yep. Now in this case scenario, the difficulties are coming below the zone of support that we have, and now that acts as a resistance. So the idea is to hold the $1 psychological mark and get above the 1.3 cents. Confirm above that and then try to force the 1.8 cents. But the next signal for you to consider is we must get confirmed above 1.3. Without getting the confirmation above 1.3, you're not going to talk about any bullishness in the future, especially for the short term. I'm not talking about the long term. So short term representation, get above, find yourself support there and confirm it twice. This is the requirement. Beautiful. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. We'll update you tomorrow with more things, including the ability for anyone interested in ChatGPT bot trading, which is completely outsourced. Make sure to check out basically our report with a performance listed on the left side, and then on the right side it's explained how the commission structure is and the way the whole process is basically completed. If you would like to join, make sure to complete the form here or contact me. We have videos about our ChatGPT bot trading and all the instructions and discussions, including for those of you interested in the education, especially one-on-one education directly with me on the coaching program. If you would like to become a trader or change the results of your performance, this is a comprehensive program. I'll talk about it in the upcoming minutes and share with you a presentation. Therefore, like the video and subscribe for the moment. At the same time, if you would like to change the results of your performance, if you want to do day trading, swing trading, position trading as a full-time or part-time trader, I do have a one-on-one coaching directly with me where I'll take you by hand between 4 to 6 weeks and teach you in an intensive way how to do the whole process. This is starting from the fundamentals of the mindset mentality going towards the technical analysis, where the idea is to understand the language of the market and react to that language accordingly. It's quite simple. If you know what does the market tells you, you know how to react to that. It is a message. It tells you this is where I'd like to go. This is where I have total domination, which is why you need to uncrypt the language of the market perfectly in order to act correctly. Like if you're not correct in trading, if you're not accurate, you're not going to make money on the long term. Now, live trades are also part of the process. Day trades, swing trades, technicals, homework. I'm sharing with you my screen. I'm taking you through the whole process. If you want to be on a call for this one as well, just register now and you can qualify for a free conversation if you think it's interesting. You can read more about it and discover more. Have a good time, guys. Subscribe and we'll talk to you soon.